Hello friends and welcome to another lecture of Leo English Hub, and today we are going to learn a new tense, perfect past tense. Before we move ahead, I would like to request you to subscribe our channel so that you don't miss any update and you can effectively practice English skills including grammar skills. So here we have the first tense, eighth tense, perfect past tense. The positive negative formula are there. Positive is subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object, and in negative subject plus had plus not plus verb 3 plus object. So here to be's form of had is used, and past participle form of the verbs are used in all the sentences, positive and negative both. Those who want to refer our tenses only again, or they want to revise, then they can refer our lecture number 12 in our playlist, so that all the tenses start from there: simple present, simple past, and onwards. So let's move on to the next screen. The practice sentences are there, and all the 10 practice sentences today I'm going to give you, and all those sentences are in conformity of cohesiveness and correlation between them. So the first sentence is on your screen at the moment. India had defeated Pakistan in the Champions Trophy. So here defeat is the verb, and verb 3, the past participle form, has been used. And who defeated Pakistan? Then India is a subject, so that's why it is there. India is a subject. Then to be's form of had, verb 3 defeated, object Pakistan, and in Champions Trophy. Those are the extra words that are in this sentence. India had not defeated Pakistan in a bilateral series. So here we design negative sentences in such a way that they don't change the meaning of positive sentences. So India did not, or India had not defeated Pakistan in a bilateral series. India defeated, or India had defeated Pakistan in the Champions Trophy cricket tournament. The second sentence is on your screen at the moment. Kohli had remained unbeaten after scoring a century. Kohli had not got out after scoring a century. So here we have positive negative sentences. Kohli had remained unbeaten, and he had not got out after scoring a century. So these two sentences, guys, and keep writing all these things that you see on your screen. If I'm moving ahead quickly, then you can pause the lecture and write down all the things in your notes so that you can revise them. If you don't want to make the notes, you can refer to our lectures again and again. Also, it is vital that you practice more and more. I'm giving you 10 sentences in today's lecture, but that is not enough. You can make n number of sentences out of your own ideas and thoughts. So it will give you an opportunity to use the skills that we have learned on our channel. So let's move on to the third sentence. He had made a good partnership with Subman. He has been used for Kohli itself. So he had made a good partnership with Subman. He had not made a good partnership with Rohit. Right. Fourth one, Subman had performed well before getting out. Subman is a subject over here. Had performed well before getting out. Shubman had not performed bad before getting out. So in all, we want to say that he performed well before he finished his innings. Fifth, earlier Indian fielders had dropped several catches. Later, Indian fielders had not dropped a single catch. Right. So you can see all these positive and negative sentences, they are in the conformity and they are correlated between each other. Pakistan had decided to bat first after winning the toss. Pakistan hadn't. The abbreviated form is pronounced hadn't. Pakistan hadn't decided to field after winning the toss. Shreyas too had played a role in making our team win. So to make someone win, to make team win is a verb, right? Play a role is also a phrase. So all these are phrases and they are verbs as well. Play a role, right? Make our team win. You can note down the vocabularies as well. Shreyas hadn't played a role in making our team lose, right? Next sentence, Rohit had got out while hitting a sixer. So how Rohit got out? So Rohit, he had got out while hitting a sixer. He wanted to hit a big one, but he failed in it. Rohit had not got out while playing safe. He was not playing safe, right? I had watched this match in bits and pieces. So I had not watched this match in one sitting. So it happens many times that it is not possible for us to watch a whole match in one sitting or continuously. So I had watched this match in a bits and pieces. I had not watched this match on one sitting, right? And the last one, ICC had given Bumrah. Bumrah is the fast bowler of Indian team. ICC had given Bumrah the Player of the Year award. ICC had not given Bumrah the Player of the Match. So he was not even playing in that match, but to honor him with the Player of the Year award, they chose that venue, and on that occasion, the ICC International Cricket Council awarded Bumrah the Player of the Year award. ICC had not given Bumrah the Player of the Match. Player of the Match is a small award, whereas Player of the Year is the bigger award, right? So here we have 10 sentences, guys, and I hope all these sentences will help you to generate more and more ideas. You can also create stories like this, and you will have to make many more sentences on your own, so that you can utilize the skills. If you get any problem, you can write in our comment section. I would reply you as soon as possible. And don't forget to like and comment on our videos, on our lectures, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel, and please share our channel to your friends and family, so that they can have an opportunity to learn good English grammar skills step by step. Thank you very much, guys, for joining us today. See you in the next lecture. Until then, take care.